I'm back here. We are checking on this system. It's buggy out today and hot and humid still. One waterfall is up, the other one is not. They need a new pump of some sorts fixed. So here we are. So we got this patio space. They'll have creeping thyme filling everywhere. We got a new waterfall back there. That's unfortunately the one not running. This one is fixed up. Has great water flow. Has some aquatics in it. The edges are all done. Plantings are all done. It's opened up. Cleaned up so you can see everything. Got fern. And there's still the shade garden throughout here. Stepping stones going everywhere.